In this video, we are going to learn about what exactly is an API. Think of yourself at a restaurant, ready to order your favorite meal. You have a menu with plenty of options, but you don't step into the kitchen to cook the meal yourself. Instead, there's a waiter who takes your order and brings the food to you. In this analogy, consider the kitchen as a software system and the waiter as an API, or application programming interface. An API serves as a middleman or messenger, facilitating communication between different software applications. Similar to the waiter who understands how to relay your order and instruct the kitchen, an API knows how to receive requests, command a system, and return the response. In the realm of computers and the internet, APIs play a pivotal role. They are omnipresent, whether you're playing online games, sending messages on apps, or checking the weather on your phone. APIs operate behind the scenes, retrieving data and executing tasks. Moving on to the role of APIs in software development. APIs are indispensable in software development because they enable various programs to utilize functionalities and data from other services. Suppose you're creating a weather app. You don't need to gather all the weather data yourself. Instead, you can utilize an API to retrieve this data from a service that already collects it. To discover available APIs, you can explore online resources, as many companies and services showcase their APIs and provide guidance on usage. They furnish clear explanations regarding the expected input and output types of the API. This accessibility empowers developers worldwide to create innovative apps and services. Real-world examples of AI APIs include Google Cloud AI APIs, offering services like natural language processing, translation, and vision recognition. IBM Watson, renowned for potent language, speech, and vision AI capabilities. Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services, providing a spectrum of AI services such as language understanding, speech, and decision-making. And Amazon AI APIs, featuring a suite of AI services like image and video analysis, personalized recommendations, and forecasting. Moving on to REST. What exactly is REST? REST stands for Representational State Transfer. Imagine you're using a remote control to change channels on your TV. Each button press instructs the TV to transition to a different state, like switching from the cartoon channel to the news channel. In the world of computer programming, this concept aligns with REST, which stands for Representational State Transfer. REST serves as a protocol for computers and programs to communicate over the internet, akin to a set of rules or a guidebook dictating how programs should request and send information. Basic principles of RESTful services. Use of HTTP. REST employs HTTP, the same technology powering websites for requesting and sending data. Stateless interactions. Each RESTful service request is independent and doesn't rely on prior requests. It resembles discrete light switches, each controlling a light independently without affecting others. Uniform interface. This principle mandates a standardized way of interacting with data, ensuring ease of comprehension for different programs. Representation of data. Data in REST can be represented in various formats, such as HTML for web pages, JSON, a straightforward data format, or plain text, client-server architecture. REST maintains a clear separation between the client, e.g., an app on your phone, and the server, the data storing computer, analogous to a restaurant's kitchen.